morning, guys, and welcome to another week of lunch videos. Today is Monday, and of course this is all vegan. So Jackson is gonna have half of a mandarin for his snack, and that should be enough because I'm trying to slowly cut down on the amount of food that I sent with them, because some days they waste it, some days they eat it. And for their lunch, they're gonna have some crab cakes. This is crabless crab cake. It's vegan, and they're gonna have some potato, sweet potato fry, and he has some ketchup to go with it, and his juice, of course. And then Destiny's having the same thing, except I didn't peel her mandarin because she should be able to do it. So I'll see you guys after school today. Okay, guys, so it's after school on Monday. Miss Destiny ate everything except for a few fries, and yeah, so Mr. Jackson did really well. He had his mandarin. Let's see. Wow, everything is gone. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys, and welcome to another day of lunch videos. Today is Tuesday, so let's get started. Jackson's gonna have a tortilla, banana, and peanut butter roll up. I cut it in half and gave him half. This is the Annie's graham crackers, I believe. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's just the Annie's Friends bunny grahams, and he's gonna have that. Blueberry, grapes. This is Annie's goddess dressing, I believe, and carrot, Destiny's gonna have the same, except hers is cut in half, and she got both same dressing and juice. So I'll see you guys after school today. To school on Tuesday. It's way after. It's like after 8 o'clock. I just remembered. This is so gross. He had a bite of this, half of it, not even. Grapes are gone. He had a few blueberries. What was here? Oh, the graham cracker. And he did good with the carrot. High five, buddy. That's what's up, Gio. So, and Gio is his middle name for those people that are gonna ask. Let's see how Miss Destiny did.
No, Jackson almost G.
Huh?
It's Jackson almost G.
Jackson who?
Jackson almost G.
G? G? What's a G? Here, open this. Open this for mommy. Pull down.
Pull down?
Pull down the bottom. I don't know what's going on. Oh.
She ate.
Okay, so she ate
this, not this.
the wraps, the grapes.
And sorry, this.
She didn't mess too much with her blueberry. She ate her cracker, and she did not eat her
ranch.
Carrots. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. You did really well. Good morning, guys. So today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. The kids didn't have school because it rained. Yeah, I know it sounds bizarre, but they canceled school because it rained. But to give them credit, it was cold. So better to be safe than sorry. So anyways, let's start with Mr. Jackson. So they're both having the same identical thing. This is just this packet here. It's crispy tenders, and it's vegan, so there's no meat. So they're just gonna have that. Jackson's having 3. There's one down there that's hidden, and then this is sweet potato fries, and that's what they're having. So I'm just gonna cover that up so it stays nice and warm. And then they have ketchup for their french fries, and their tender. And this is just a mixture of grapes and blueberries. Jackson likes more grapes than he does blueberry. And some mandarin cut up here. These mandarins are big. Like, this is half of a mandarin, if you can believe it. I couldn't get it to fit in here, but whatever. Destiny's having the same thing. She got more blueberries than she got grapes. And that's that. And then, of course, they're having their juice. And I will see you guys after school today. Okay, guys, so it's after school on Tuesday. It's actually not Tuesday. It starts school on Thursday. It's actually Thursday night. But I'm just checking it now. It looks like he ate the chicken. Did you eat any of the fries?
Yeah.
I don't think he ate much of the fries. Then he finished his ketchup, and then
I didn't like.
Did you eat your mandarin?
Huh?
Did you eat your mandarin?
What? The orange?
Yeah.
No.
No, you didn't like them? You do like mandarin. Destiny had all of her fruit, and then she didn't eat her fries.
I did. I ate a couple.
A couple? Okay.
So we have to,
Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, what about your ketchup? Did you eat your ketchup?
Yeah.
Cause I kind of like put water to make it, come out better.
Mommy, I ate the chicken. It tastes better with ketchup on it.
It tastes better with ketchup on it?
It's not chicken. Jaxson.
It is chicken. Good morning, guys. So it's finally Friday, and I'm excited. So yeah, I don't know what this is. Don't ask me. I ran out of food, so I had to get creative. So Jackson's gonna have, this is celery, peanut butter, and blueberry. Yeah, hopefully he likes it. This is a peanut butter sandwich that I cut out in the heart shape, and I put a little lion pick inside of it just for fun for him to eat. Some grapes, mandarin. Even though he didn't eat his mandarin yesterday, I'm still gonna try it again because I think he just got bored or he was talking. This is just some penne pasta with cherry tomatoes that were getting ready to go bad, so I just cut them up and throw them in there, and bell pepper, and I accidentally spilled the whole jar of is it basil in here, so yeah, that's why it looks so well seasoned, but it wasn't intentional. And he has his fork here, his water, and his juice, and that's what Jackson's having. Dustin's having the same thing, except I cut up the bits of pieces that were left off from the bread from cutting it out because I didn't want to waste it. Hopefully they eat all of it. This seems like a bit much, but just giving them the pasta and just fruit felt like it wasn't enough food for them, so I went ahead and gave them a sandwich. So that's what they're having, and I didn't preheat these because I don't really care that this is not warm. It can be you can have it cold or warm, so either way it's fine. And yeah, so I will see you guys after school today. Hi guys, so it's Friday after school. Let's see how the children did. Okay, Destiny did well. I should open this before I started recording, but okay, so she did well. She did good. Okay, let's see how Jackson did. Alright, so he ate the celery. What? He ate the celery that was here with the peanut butter. The peanut butter sandwich is gone. He didn't eat the edges, which I knew he wouldn't. But anyways, that's gone. And then he had one of that, and then he broke my fork. Nice, way to go, Jackson. And then let's see how he did on his. Let's see how he did on his food.
Oh, wow.
Really, dude?
He didn't even touch it.
Didn't even touch it. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching this week of lunch video, and I will see you guys. I just said that. Bye, guys.